Hi, welcome back. It's Lionel Tech Lead and partner at Westport. And a very quick video for you guys. Usually, I don't want to tell you AI is changing the game, right? And I've got a tip and a trick that I found, and I've been using it for my latest stealth project that I'll be sharing with you guys about, how you can make money as a side hustle. But I'm going to share this with you on how I'm editing HTML and changing all this stuff.
All right, guys, gotta check out this cool AI trick, right? So on the left-hand side here, I have some HTML, and on the right-hand side is YouTube code in PHP. And one of the most annoying things that I hate is changing the HTML to put rows and all that kind of stuff. And one way you can do that is with AI. And I found that there's this app called Opera browser. Actually, I switched to Opera because I love it so much. And it comes with a free AI called Aria, which no one uses. It's not as popular as ChatGPT, but it's pretty strong. I've been using it a while, pretty good. They also got WhatsApp inside and YouTube on the left hand side, so really developer focused. But today we're going to talk about the AI, right? And it is amazing stuff here. So I've been working on it. Let's press the clear button, right? And I just wanted, let's look at this code here. Um, let's do something simple, right? Let's make the blurb title and slug on the same line. I think that would be the best way to do it. So, okay. So, just define the thing. So, in YII2, can you make the following code by putting title and slug on the same row as two columns? Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this whole thing over here, and I'm going to paste it over here. And I'm let the AI do the magic, do the stuff. Yeah, I've been playing around with this stuff. Not just playing around, I've been actually doing it in the stealth project for that side hustle. I haven't talked about it yet, but it is saving me so much time. Just so much time is being saved. And there you go, it's over here. They even wrote it out there. Let's copy that, okay? And let's delete this. Of course, you have to be a developer still to look at this stuff, right? But I am telling you, this stuff is crazy stuff, man. Okay, so we want the title and slug. Let's see what happens. Title and slug, now you can see it on the top here on the same column. The AI did it perfectly, right? And you can just keep adding to the same post. You could say, okay, let's see, what else do you want. Can you make I mean, body's okay. The blurb looks a little bit long, so I'm gonna just say, can you make the blurb field, so we're looking down at here, um, 2 rows instead of 4. Imagine if they could do it inside the text editor itself. It would be like crazy. Alright, they've given you the code. Obviously, you can just copy that and just put it in there. And then that solves the problem. It becomes two rows. So really fantastic on this stuff. It is so easy. This is just a simple example. I'll give you guys more in-depth examples for things that I think are more productive if you let AI do that. For example, one of my favorite is kind of like removing certain tags in HTML. That really saves you a lot of time with AI down here. So have fun. I'm going to put the link in the description about the Opera browser, Aria, about YII2. I'm really surprised that it can actually handle Yi because it's not really PHP. It's a framework, but it seems to be able to go onto the internet, learn about Yi, give you the answers for that stuff. It's actually doing the work for you. It's actually doing. This is the next level. So guys, it's a super time saver. It is so crazy that when I make these applications, right, I can just do the first few rounds with AI, and then after that I can switch over to normal stuff and start coding the thing. Most of the time, right, I think of it like, you know, there's like a very basic intern down here is doing the work for me. Bang, it's so good. So check it out, have fun, give me some comments on it. I got a couple more videos. I'm gonna do a couple more of these things because it's just so fun. All right, cheers, bye.